How to start a clothing business with buying wholesale. Are you going to start your own clothing business? Then this is the first step that you should know how to start a clothing business with buying wholesale. This video will help you to know how to buy low and sell high. Your tension is over now because, in this video you will get many ideas regarding how to start a clothing business. This is very important to find the best price while buying wholesale so that you can make enough profit for your business. This video is sponsored by Beautiful Connection Group. They have a clothing factory in New York, USA. They are a professional wholesale clothing manufacturing company specialized in custom women's apparels like coats, jackets, tops and dresses. First thing first, handle the legal issues. For starting your own business you must be legally secured from every aspect. For example, you must ensure that you are doing the business maintaining the zone law as in, it's legal in your area. After that, you must register your business with your business tax ID number. Find a niche. When you think of starting your own clothing business, there will be an obvious competition in the market. So, the best option for you will be finding a niche market to grab the highest profit. Otherwise, consumers won't have enough reason to purchase from you when they are getting it from others who have already been existing in the market for a longer time. Meanwhile, you have to fix your target consumers as in for men, women, children, older. The more niche you get, the more possibilities you will get to be successful as a beginner business person. For example, if there are plenty of clothing shops for men and children, starting for women's clothing will be your best choice. Try to find the best ways to represent what you are selling by making eye-catchy advertisements. For example, you can prioritize your clothing items both as stylish and comfortable that can be suitable for both formal and casual women. You can focus on comfort and style at the same time, which will eventually attract more people. Furthermore, you can offer custom clothing items for women and unique designs that can be more attractive. In terms of expressing your creativity by earning a living, customized apparel could be a great option. The future of screen print technology which looks bright, and for sure it's worth getting into for your customized apparel. But you don't need to customize the apparel that you are selling, rather you can purchase from clothing manufacturers for wholesale. Start searching for wholesalers. As a beginner, working with wholesalers may seem a bit bluffing at the beginning. Among the established business owners who have more knowledge than you may make you a bit confused, but there are some important information that may help you to start working with wholesalers as a new small business owner. It's really important to build good relationships with the suppliers because it helps a lot to find scopes of working with them, and it can make your business progress. Maintaining a good relationship with the suppliers and pay the bills on time. Overall, if the suppliers feel good to work with you, they will continue it although you purchase less from them. This will eventually help you to expand your business. Nowadays, you can find many wholesalers searching on the internet. You will get many blogs regarding wholesalers. You will get the links of the suppliers in the blogs. From these links, you can take some ideas about the manufacturers and their reliability as well as the working procedure with them. Contact wholesale suppliers. First of all, you don't need to directly contact the suppliers unless they have any special requirements. Besides, you can place your order simply by creating your account. Apart from this, you can make direct contact with the suppliers who allow this option, but make sure that you really want to work with them before calling them or sending email. Also spend some time by reading the instructions on their website. You may have to prove it that you are an authentic retailer, and for instance you may have to provide your business license and resale permit. Keep in mind that as a new business owner you may have to struggle to become an established reseller. It's more obvious when you are working with elite wholesale brands at the beginning. In your first meeting with the suppliers, behave professionally and ask them every significant detail regarding the pricing and how to establish pricing, etc. Try to focus on every contact and take these an opportunity for building up a good relationship with the wholesale suppliers. Build and maintain relationships with your wholesale suppliers. The hard work won't stop after opening your accounts with the proper wholesalers. But even after that you need to keep maintaining your good relationship with your wholesalers. It will help you in future to access better pricing, payments and credit terms. While contacting them through phone calls, email or meetings, always be respectful to them. Try to be friendly and be professional, solve the problems in the smaller phase with proper dignity toward them. Price for profit. After completing your wholesale orders, plan for pricing. Pricing is really important. In other words, setting a higher or lower price at the beginning may affect your profit. Keystone pricing is the best option. You have to consider your competitors' pricing to understand the market. Follow the link in the description below to know more in detail. Please subscribe our channel to get more professional tips following custom clothing manufacturing.